Hello guys, so in this video we'll be talking about cPanel. Alright, I will show you how to log into cPanel and how to perform some tasks on cPanel. So now to start with, remember I told you when you when you purchase hosting from any website, be it Q servers or Namecheap or whatever, anyone you purchase your domain name from and hosting package. Okay, what will happen is they are going to send you a login details to your cPanel. All right, take a look at this email now. Take a look at this email. This is an email from Q servers after I have made payment for domain and hosting. So here now is my login to that particular website. This is the login details. Okay, I just designed a website for a client, which is an academy. You understand, a football academy. So I just designed a website for them. So now, if you look at this website now, so this is the login details to that cPanel, and it is on the cPanel that you will be able to upload your website. You'll be able to design your website and do one or two things there. Okay, so you need access to cPanel before you can be able to start designing a website. So this one now, this is the login detail, this is the domain name, this is the username, and this is the password for me to log into cPanel. So to log into cPanel, I'll show you two different methods to log into cPanel. So number one is using the domain name. Let's say newworldacademy.com.ng, sorry, .ng, that is the domain name. Then you put /cpanel. So when you put /cpanel, you'll be granted access to the cPanel. All right, so this is it now. So what you need to do is to go back to that your email and copy the username. Make sure you copy it properly. Don't go and copy with space or something else. So you come here, you paste it, and also the password. Also, you go and copy the password. Copy the password and paste the password. Then you hit enter or click on login. So now this is the cPanel to that particular website. So every website has its own cPanel login details. All right. So this is the cPanel now for that. Okay, then the other way which I want to show you is through Q servers itself. When you log into your Q servers, okay, remember after when you're purchasing the hosting package, remember you registered with Q servers, so you have login details also for that Q server. So you log in. So when you log in, you see your services, your domain names. These are the active services. That's the active hosting packages, active domain names, and also this is a ticket. Maybe you sent them ticket, they reply you, or whichever way, or they sent you tickets, whichever way. So this is invoice. Some hosting packages that has been suspended, which I need to renew, and I refuse to renew, or maybe because sometimes I just design a website for the purpose of training. I'll pay for hosting and what's it called, and domain. So that hosting might be a month, and after the hosting has expired, since it's just for the purpose of training, I just let it go. So here now, I just click on services. So there you see active domain names and the suspended ones. Okay, so look at it. Some of them are even pending, which is due to training. I did not pay. I just registered, but I did not complete the payment. So this particular one now, which is the one I just log into, don't click on the link direct like this. If you click on the link direct, it will take you to the website. But I just want you to click outside, but still in line, or you can click somewhere around here. So just click on it. When you click on it, it will show you maybe some options there. So once you click on it, now you click on log into cPanel. When you log into cPanel, they will log you into the cPanel. Okay, so as you can see it, this is how to log into your cPanel. So when you log into cPanel, these are the things you see on your cPanel. This is email. This controls the emailing affairs of a company. All right. You see sometimes when you register on a company on a website, you get an automatic message from them thanking you for registering and all that. This is what they use autoresponder. Okay, they use autoresponder to reply to your emails. That's all those immediate emails that what's it called? Immediate email responses you get from some companies. This is how it's being done through autoresponder. But we'll come to this. I will explain to you how to send emails from your website, like professional emails. Sometimes you see admin at gtbank.com or admin at bbc.com. So all those ones are professional emails, all right, which is done through domain names. So I will explain this better when we get to email. Then this also file and all that. These are what you're going to see. The SEO and marketing tools. You see the database. That's where your the SQL is. The PHP and all that. Then you see the domain, metrics, everything, security. That's if you want to install SSL and all that. Then we have softwares. This is where you can install WordPress. We'll still go into that. We'll still install WordPress and some other tools. Then we have the advanced and all that. So this is how Cpanel looks. Okay, so for you to design a website, you need access to Cpanel. It is on the Cpanel you're going to do your installations, and from there you start designing your website. So that is about Cpanel. Let me show you that that website, that football website, which I said I just created for someone, which is where is it? Okay, newwordacademy.com. Okay, sorry, newwordacademy.ng. I'm so used to .com and .com.ng. So let it open. Okay, this is the website. On the website, you see it. You see their upcoming match. You see last match highlights. You see latest news. That's their blog. You see team point table. Though I need to change some of the teams there. Then you see about us and all that. So you see these players, then match galleries and all that. So I'm just waiting for them to, then if they want to be selling their kits, like maybe their jersey and all that. So I integrated an e-commerce to it also. So these are partners logo and all that. So this is it. Then we have other pages. We have results, news, contact and all that. So that is about this. So now someone asked yesterday if we can get a free hosting and domain registrar so that we can practice with it. All right, there is this website, infinityfree.com. This is it. You can type it on your own browser, infinityfree.com. And once you type in infinityfree.com, Infinity Free offer free hosting and free domain registration. Though it's not going to be a custom domain, is going to be a subdomain. All right, just like like when you get a custom domain like this Infinity Free now, so it's going to be like your name.infinityfree.com. So it's not going to be a professional domain. So that's why it's just meant for practical alone. So now once you click on Infinity Free, you click on register. The registration is just fast and it's easy. So you click on register. Once you click on register, you put in your email email address. Then you choose a password. Let me say I don't even mind if I forget the password because I'm not going to use it. So Then you select that and sign up. Oh, I think the password I choose does not match. What happened again? Why am I giving unnecessary? Okay. Let me choose something simple, I beg. Then sign up. Let me reload the website. Alright. Just make sure you use the email address you have access to, because they will ask you to confirm the email. Then you sign up. Okay, so this is it now. I said what? A verification link has been sent to your email. So please click on the button in. So you go and verify it. So you go to your email. Where's the email? So here now, this is my email. As you can see, I've received an email from them. So just open the email you received from Infinity Free. Then you can just click on verify email address, or you copy this link here. You copy it and paste in a browser like this. Just copy it, or you can just click on verify email address. Let me just use that, verify email address. As I click on verify email address, now they've logged me in. So the next thing now I need to do is to create my free account. Click on agree on there. So as you can see now, no account yet. I don't have account with them yet. So what I need to do now is create account. You see, I can create up to 3 accounts. So let's create an account now. So creating an account, you see subdomain. Yes, like I said, they are going to give you subdomain for free. They will not register a custom domain for you for free. So, but if you have registered a custom domain from another domain registrar, you can actually register domain and then use their free hosting services. But is not advisable. It's better you just, if you want it to be, if you want to use it for the purpose of practical, it's fine. But please don't use this for any client or for any professional website. So just click on subdomain. Then what do you want your domain to be? Let's say I want it to be as Prince Tech. Prince Tech, that's my domain. Then dot what? You see, this is their, you cannot see .com. They will never give you .com or .ng for free. So this is what they have. Let me just say .infinityfree.app. Or let me just pick this. This is still easy. Then check availability. If that domain name you've selected is available. So it's available. princetech.rf.gd is available. So since it's available, what I just need to do is confirm my account password. That's the password I use in registering it. Yeah. Then create account. So as you can see, my account has been created. So the next thing I need to do now is open the control panel. Control panel is the same thing as Cpanel. Cpanel is just a short form of it. So you go down, then you click on approve. So when you click on approve, you see it now. This is your Cpanel. But you can see different ads. You can see ads. That's one thing about free, what's it called? Free hosting. So, this is it. You have your files, you have your, what's it called? Preferences, then you have the database, that's my SQL, PHP, my admin. You have email. So as you can see, it's almost the same. It's even the same thing. What just the difference is just the theme. It's just the theme. All right. Also, we have software, which is where we're going to install WordPress from. That's through Softaculous app installer. So it's the same thing as you can see. So that is it. And okay, let me show you something now. Let me go to Cpanel here. So Cpanel, you see themes. The themes used to be more than one. I think they've made this, QServer has made this to be maybe their permanent theme. I think that's the Jupyter theme. So before they used to have like 3 to 4 different themes which you can switch to. All right. So if you switch to that, then you'll be able to see something like this also. So that is about Cpanel. Now you've gained access to Cpanel. So after gaining access to Cpanel, the next thing is to start designing your website, all right, which we're going to do that in the next class. We're going to do that in the next class, okay?